can't deny this feeling. Watching all the people all around me finding truth, I can't help but wonder, do you wonder too? Were we meant for each other, but it just fell apart? Could we last forever if we start over? All around me finding truth, I can't help but wonder, do you wonder too? Were we meant for each other, but it just fell apart? Could we last forever if we start over?
You said you loved me, and we would never grow apart. We had our blood to be our bonding. I never thought you'd break my heart. We could fall through deeper, get a taste of the morning, tracing back all memories to the sandy bay. But it hurts so bad from the way that you're looking, 'cause I know those green eyes aren't meant for me. Back in '97, top of the class, and we always had a good time, always a good time. Oh, oh, oh. We had it up love. We were only 15, sipping on caffeine and acting like we know it all, know it all. To run out through the hall